Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing good. So in this video, I'm gonna explain that what is affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works. And basically, the main title of this video is how you can make money through affiliate marketing. So let's understand affiliate marketing. I bet that you guys have seen many videos related to affiliate marketing, but you can not make money online by affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is something that nobody's gonna tell you because this is the way that many people are making money and they don't want to expose their own preference strategy that they are using to promote their product to get affiliate sales. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can promote your content through website or promote your affiliate marketing products through Google traffic. So what does affiliate marketing means? Basically, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product by using paid ads or by running some Google ads, TikTok ads, or any kind of advertisement, or you can just promote affiliate products by your own audience if you have social media audience or do you have any kind of big audience inside your Instagram, Facebook. So you can use that audience and promote any kind of product and sell them. Affiliate marketing is where an affiliate promotes, like a person promotes any other big company's product, and in order to sell that product, he will receive some commission. For example, if I try to promote a website product which is a hostinger, so in order to promote that hosting, I will get like 50% of the sale that the customer is paying. So that's called affiliate marketing, and the affiliate person use their own marketing channels to promote the affiliate product. For example, if you are an influencer, you have 50,000, 500K subscribers or more than that, you can use that subscribers and monetize that subscribers into affiliate marketing products. For example, I'm an influencer and blogger. I have a product which is related to fitness, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a story. I'm gonna say that, hey guys, this is a product which has 20% off. Go buy this and stuff like this. So afterwards, when my audience gonna click that link or buys, I'm gonna get a commission. So how's these things work? In next step, we're gonna learn which are some marketing, affiliate marketing products that we can promote and we can get some commission. So this program is my favorite one, so I'm gonna tell you guys how you can promote hosting a affiliate program because I personally promote this program and earn up to 60% per sale of any of the person who clicks my link and gets the membership or gets the program. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click here, hosting a affiliate program, and then afterwards, see, earn at least 60% from every sale. Promote a trusted service lovely by millions. So basically, Hostingers you can say a domain provider or hosting provider platform where you can go and just claim your hosting for your website and just make a good website from it. So so first of all, if you want to access that affiliate program, what you're gonna do, if you have any questions, you can get the answers here if you click here. Okay, so is gonna go here, see instant sign up, track your performance, affiliate banners. You will get all of the design banners. For example, if you have your own website and you want to promote the hostinger program on your own website by embedding the code. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna collect the code from the affiliate banners and just put it in your website backend. For example, if you have a WordPress, you're just gonna go to settings and just embed it. As you know, you are a great professional. So yeah, so for that, we're gonna go click here, access affiliate pro platform. So it's gonna go take us to our login section. So I'm gonna go log in. Oh, this is my another account which was rejected. So if you do not match the criteria, you're gonna go reject it. The criteria is pretty simple. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the another email here. Yeah, we're gonna go this. We're gonna buy this one. Wait, let me sign up. See, if you start with sign up, they will ask for the account details, user details, additional questions. For example, they will ask for your company. Just type your name here, okay? Just go and type. your name here. And if you have a personal website, it's much better. You guys can have a opportunity to get easily accepted by a hostinger, and put your address here and which city you live in and state, zip code, and after that just press next. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill this blankly. Okay, because let me fill this very quickly. It's pretty easy, guys. You can like access it anytime. This is the difficult way that I'm putting in. Okay, so just copy the password. Okay, and they're asking for your email address. Okay, just go and type anything. This is a random. Okay, I'm just putting my random email. If you guys have any email, just put it here. Okay, just don't do this. This is a very really quick tutorial. That's why I'm doing this. So they're asking for your first name. Just go ahead, put your name here. Let me just quick click it. It's pretty messed up, I know. See, now you'll get questions. For example, how do you intend to promote hosting your brands? Like how you will promote the brands and everything. You just have to give it the reason, and afterwards your YouTube channel if you have, and describe which is your best activity, like how you will promote the items. For example, let's see, by your blog, by your coupon discount, by PPC or marketing agency. So you can like fill this up and just put it next, and then it's very easy, guys, to get accepted. But the main thing is that you always have to make sure that you are getting enough traffic for this. I hope that you guys liked my tutorial. If you guys like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.